guys, so I have a grocery haul that I want to share with you today from Aldi, a few things from Walmart, and we are expecting, it's a winter weather advisory, so maybe a dusting of snow, but it's been so cold here. I know today's been 13 degrees. I don't remember what it was yesterday. We had a 2-hour delay yesterday, and then a 2-hour early release today, so I'm tired because I didn't get my usual break and just hustle and bustle back and forth today. So I also wanted some healthier options, some healthier snacks. Everything here is not totally healthy, but it's better. So I told my husband, babe, can I have some grocery money so that I can so I can pick up some healthier options, and also can he make me out a workout plan, which he has done, so I can get back on track. So let's get started with this grocery haul. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted about a few of my goals. It's just my weight loss goals, not even personal goals or school goals or anything like that. But I want to lose 40 more pounds, and so that will take me to Wonderland when you're when you're in the 100s, and then Wonderland, and I can't think of something else. But anyway, let's get started with this haul. Okay, so I picked up 2 bags of the frozen strawberries, the Season's Choice. I think these are like $2.05, $2.09. Excuse my nails. Been super busy. The blueberries, think these are $2.09. I picked up as well some jumbo shrimp to have that on hand. And here's the other strawberry. I also picked up 2 cans of the tomato sauce and some pepperoni. And also I picked up some smoked ham. Yeah, Deli Select. The rotisserie chicken breast. And I'm laughing at myself. I'm trying not to show my nails. The sharp cheddar cheese. I always pick that up. And then as well, I haven't picked this up in a while if I have, but the roast beef. So what I want to do is make a wrap for myself for a snack, or either I want to make, I'm going to make salads for salad prep. So I also picked up some sour cream, and I'm going to make chili beans for the boys tonight. And my husband just left for work, and it seems like every time it's a bad weather, he has to stay overnight, and I hate that. I hate that. Not stay overnight, but he can't come home because the roads are so bad. Yeah. So anyway, so I'm going to make some chili beans. I picked up 2 of the Great Northern beans, 2 of the light kidney beans, and then I accidentally picked up the mild chili beans. The cans look so closely together, I wasn't paying attention because they were like all together. I picked up some paper plates. Jason picked up some bananas earlier. He went to Walmart, and then he also picked up some bread. So I'm glad he did. He went in the morning when he took JJ to school. So I'm glad that he picked that up because they didn't have any bread at Aldi. I also picked up some of these tomatoes, and I picked up 2 because I want to make another veggie tray. That worked out really well. And then also for salad prep. Also the baby carrots. I made another veggie tray for that too with the celery, and that worked out awesome because when I wanted a snack, I already opened up the pepperoni. I had to wait till my battery charged. When I wanted a snack, that worked out really well instead of like getting chips or something. I picked up the center cut bacon. I wanted to get the never any, but it's like $5.50. I don't know. I was just being cheap instead of paying an extra $1. And yeah, because I was watching someone on YouTube, and just watching her low carb video, and it was really helpful. And she recommended that too, but I tried it before. Anyway, the pork sausage, I picked that up because I probably have to make breakfast because we'll probably be iced in or snowed in. And then also I picked up some mushroom pasta sauce, and I forgot to get spaghetti noodles, but I'm sure I'll probably have something up there, or some kind of noodles to make some kind of pasta. I picked up 2 of the Big Dipper tortilla chips, and that was because of these The regular were restaurant style I always get was 89 cents, a great price. Normally it's $1.19 or 109 or something like that. And this is all they had. And I guess everybody else had the same idea, make chili beans. The 4-meat pizza, I got this for the boys if I don't feel like cooking tomorrow, if they want something for lunch and we don't go to school, which we probably will not. Also, I picked them up some cookies and cream ice cream. This is like $4.99, and that's a lot of ice cream, not just for them, but for Jason too. So, picked that up. I picked up some grapes for myself or anybody else who wants some. And I probably should have got some vinegar because I like cleaning my grapes off now. Yeah. I didn't get any vinegar. So I think my mom has tried these. I don't remember. I have to take a picture and show her. It's sugar free, babe. And so Fit and Active chocolate fudge bars. And if you are familiar with the Weight Watcher ones, these are supposed to be like a dupe of those. So I hope these are really good. They were like $3.59 or 39 cents. And I hope these are really good. You get about 6 in here and it's 110 calories. So if I want, instead of eating this, which I don't have a problem because I'm not a big ice cream person, eating this instead of that, that will help me out if I want something sweet or something chocolate. So I picked up 2 of the eggs. They were $1.29, which was a lot I thought for Aldi, but still a great price each. I also went back because I couldn't find the almonds and I really wanted some almonds. Josiah. The Fit and Active Flatbread Original, it's 90 calories. And this would be good to make a pizza on, but I really got it to. And then also I picked up some spinach and to go in the smoothies. And then some spinach mix, spring mix to go in the smoothies if we want them in there, and also for salads. I also picked these up. These are great. They help me if I want something sweet. Is the sweet and salty granola bars. And also I will take these to work and throw one in my bag if I just feel like I need something on the way home. Also, which I probably need to go back to Walmart and buy some protein bars or wherever. They do have some at Aldi, but I really haven't experimented with too many of those protein bars with Aldi. But anyway, these are $1.39. So I did pick up a can of biscuits. I only picked up one because I already have one. And then I picked up the Fit and Active sugar free. This is the raspberry lemonade. It was like $1.19 a piece. The lemonade, raspberry lemonade, and the fruit punch. And I think they have like a tea one too. Then I did go back and get some almonds. Aldi does have a great price on their almonds. They're $4.99. And this is the first time I picked them up since they redid the store because I could not find them. They weren't on the bacon aisle. And the employees seemed like they didn't even know. And then a customer, she helped me. She said, oh, they're right there in the front. And I'm like, oh, okay, because all I saw was the trail mix. But anyway, this is the hickory smoked flavor. I picked up 2 of the real bacon pieces. One fell on the floor. And then I picked 2 of the hot chili mix. And I went ahead and just picked up hot because I knew Jason wasn't going to. He's going to eat some eventually, but he wasn't going to eat none tonight. And hopefully it's not gone by the time he does come back home, because sometimes he has to stay over if the roads are bad or something. Ugh. So anyway, the Fit and Active Light Balsamic Vinaigrette Reduced Fat Dressing. And this was 89 cents. I think that's an awesome price. And sometimes I cave in and I'll get the regular. And I'm like, it won't hurt. But this time I made myself get the Fit and Active, the light. And then the Light Ranch Reduced Fat Dressing. But I should have picked up a regular for them because they'll eat my stuff up. It don't even matter if it's ranch, they'll eat it. But I guess it shouldn't matter. They can use my reduced fat, but it'll last longer if that makes sense. So I picked up some Mexican blend for the chili beans. I picked up some celery, and I meant to look for the organic celery because I don't know. I can eat celery, doesn't matter, but you know how celery has like a certain taste, and it can taste like it's from the ground. So I wanted to get organic. I also picked up some Jenny O ground turkey. And it seemed like they went up $1 on this. It used to be $5.99 and now it's $6.99. And this is a 3-pound, I believe, 3 pounds. So I don't mind anything in the roll. You guys heard me say that before. I just don't like that ground turkey that Aldi has, like the 1 pound. I don't like that. Mama don't like it either, but that's just us. Sometimes we had it and it had like, seemed like it had chunks or something hard in it, and it just has a processed taste. I just don't like it. So anyway, and I'm not squeamish about stuff like that, but I just don't like that stuff from Aldi. The Aldi turkey that's in the tube for, I think it's in the frozen section, and it's about £1 pound, and it's in a white wrapper. But anyway, yeah. And I was just thinking that sometimes people's opinion can be really strong on you too, which turns me off. Being honest about my opinion. Okay, so the Italian hot sausage, I picked that up for make spaghetti, which I like to do, and I'll cut that out of the casing and chop it up. I was going through some video footage, and I was like, I deleted a video where I cooked something like that, and I was like, gosh, I shouldn't have deleted that, but it was too late. I already started. So, because I could have uploaded that video. But anyway, also some ground beef. I picked up 2 cases of water. I like to keep the water in the house. And my husband was making a protein drink, and he made a mess, like always. And then, so chicken drumsticks, they were $3 off, which was $5.12, which was $3.12. So I picked up one of those, and then another one $3 off, which made it $3.02. So I had to get 2. I picked up some tilapia fillets, some almond milk for my smoothies, 2% milk, and then I went to Walmart first. Spent too much. Went to Walmart first, and I knew that we probably were going to be stuck in the house, and I wanted to work on certain things in my craft room, mom cave, and so I picked up 2 of the plaster. Yeah, of the plaster, and it's more of a white color. Before I picked up white, but it'd be fine if I just use plaster, because I've used this before. And then I picked up some Centrium chewables. These are about $9, almost $10. These are the vitamins that I use post VSG, and I have not had any vitamins in a while, guys. And I know that's terrible, because I'm supposed to take vitamins. Everyone needs to take vitamins, but supposed to take vitamins for life. And that's really bad. And what really made me an eye-opener today, again, is that someone that I follow that had vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery, she has to have a blood transfusion for her iron. And this is the 2nd time. So I don't want that to happen to me, because my iron is low. And I don't want anything else to be low. And it doesn't feel great for it to be low, or your vitamin D at all. So one time it was real low. I felt like I had to call my mama. And I was resting, but I felt like I needed to call her, because I just felt uneasy. Something wasn't right. And something just told me, just rest, Hope, just rest. Okay, so I also picked up some Premier Protein. I haven't picked this up in a while now. Then on camera, it's not showing the true color. Let me see if I can change my settings. Okay, it's showing up a little bit. But I picked up these blush pink pillows, and I'm going to take this off my counter real quick, because these pillows look like they will hold a stain. It says that they're by Mainstays at Walmart, and they were $4.88, and they caught my attention because this is kind of the theme, one of the color themes in my mom cave, like a blush pink. And I was walking past, and I was like, ooh. And for some reason with pillows, I'll tell myself, oh, I'll come back and get it later. Oh, that's too much. I don't know why. And though I love pillows. So, I picked up 2 of them, 10, and I said, let me go on and get, because I have a sectional, let me go on and get 3. So I picked up 3 of these, and it's not showing the true color, but it's so pretty. And then I'm looking at another rug from another store that's in that same color, or it might be Walmart, I don't know. And then I picked up 2 of these. You guys have been showing these on Instagram, and I'll again in I think the other years I did catch some. But this is a 2-pack for $3 and some change. The wire baskets. And I wanted gold. And I think I wanted gold for my mom cave. And I think I have one left that's rose gold. And that's not really my color theme in the mom cave. So anyway, but I want to use these for those Mambi booklets. So one of them is already full and I need more space. So it was an added bonus. I was like, they went up on these baskets. And the reason why they went up is because they are 2-pack. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was chatty like always. But, and I will show my mom cave, I say craft room. My craft room when I get it all together. So thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, thank you for supporting, for commenting. I do see all your comments, and I hope you guys are having a great start of your new year and make it a great one. Bye bye.